Caraga region. So the Caraga administrative region, or simply known as Caraga region, is included as Region 17. Is
Sa'yo? 10 na. Oh.
Iba na hindi. 5 na. 30 na.
30 na.
30. Kaya ba na B? Sino na B? 80 na. And speaking as Region 17, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northeast section of Mindanao. So makita niyo si mga ano siya, ay na siya part sa kanang northeastern section of Mindanao. The region was created through Republic Act number 7901 on February 23, 1985. A total of 2,596,700,075. Population based on 2015 census. So the region comprises of 5 provinces, namely the Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Dinagat Island, Surigao del Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Dinagat Island, Surigao del Norte, and Surigao del Sur, and consisted with 6 cities. Kanang Bayugan, Bislig, saan sa pagbasa? Butuan. So Butuan is a highly urbanized city. Kabadaran, Surigao, and Tanda. And also it has 67 municipalities and 1,311 barangays. So Butuan is the most urbanized in Nicaragua and also served as the regional administrative center. So when it comes sa climate nila dito sa Caraga region, ang ito climate is ganang wala sila payoy ganang dry season dito that the rainfall occurs throughout the year with heavy rains from November to February. So monsoon, southwest monsoon or habagat during June to September, then northeast monsoon, which is the Amihan, during October to March. So ang Caraga region has a lot of tourist spot or popular destinations. So most mga common popular destinations nila is Surigao Island. So kailan mo kapamilyar mo na, di ba? Minsan ay nakadala na.
Ako na.
Lukod.
Ato po yun. Plenty Agusan, Marsh, Wildfly, Pinoyan Falls, Latuan, Enchanted River, Dinagat Island. So napil bang Dinagat Island pag bagyo?
Wow.
Pieces Islands, Sohoto National Park, Delta Discovery Park, Didon, and Naghanka. So Caraga region,
And many
so
others.
Caraga region is the second fastest growing economy in the Philippines as 2024. So ang first is the region 7.
Gitubag na ka press.
Also is the region 3. So and
Economy?
so let's move on sa major fishing grounds. So there are 3 main major fishing grounds sa Caraga region, which are the Philippine Sea. So ang Philippine Sea is a large marine fishing ground along the eastern coast of Mindanao. supports tuna, mackerel, and other pelagic species due to its open ocean conditions. So, pangkaduhay sa kaning Surigao Strait, a rich fishing corridor between Mindanao and Leyte that connects the Bohol Sea and the Philippine Sea. So, doon naman ta. So, with strong tidal currents that attract diverse marine life. So, the last but not the least, maraming pagkatulong ay one is the Hinatuan Passage. So, it is known for deep, radiant, rich waters and high biodiversity. Nature site, ammonia, and ammonia canal, nature site for tuna and pelagic.
Manay.
So, aside sa katong tulong ako ng main major fishing grounds, so we also have the other fishing grounds in Baraga, which are the Butuan Bay, Makatani siya along Agosan del Norte coast, all countries. Ang mostly nga makanang ma-catch nila dito is kaning sardines at baka ng gamo na pinagpalan bulinaw and crabs. So, mga tuhay kaning dinagat sa channel within dinagat ng Siargao Island. So, they are rich in small fish like sardines and mackerel. Pangkatulis kaning Lanosa Bay. So, it is located in Siargao del Sur and it's known for tuna, mackerel, and great fish. So, kanang kailan naman tali mga tuna, mackerel, and great fish. So, unsay mostly makita mo na yung mga kaning sa reef. Sa reef. Isa nga mga isla mostly nga
Ni more love.
Pagkatpaton.
Pagkatpaton. Kitong. Pagkatpaton.
Kaling Sleep Bay in southeastern Surigao del Sur. So fishermen catch sardines, shrimps, and reef fish. Then kaling sa East Siargao Waterfall, deep sea area where tuna and other large fish are caught. And last but not the least is kaning Bohol Sea Bar. Western parts are about next to northern Mindanao fishing area. So, ang mostly yun nila ma-catch dito kay kaning mga tuna, mackerel, kaning anchovies or bulinaw, then sardines, crabs, and so, but there is a connection to other fishing areas. Sa north is connects to Bohol Sea, sharing fishing grounds with northern Mindanao. Then sa east opens to the Philippine Sea and rich in tuna and other large fish. Then sa south is linked to the Davao Gulf as the Mindanao fishing zone. Then sa west is the coastal waters of one bay connected to Agusan del Norte Municipal Fisheries. Sa northeast is Dinagat and Siargao channels connect to the Pacific Ocean, supporting small pelagic fisheries. So, mga niyang mga kanang target species and fisheries production sa Calaga region. So, sa pelagic fishes is kaning sardines or tamban, ramscod, galunggong, tuna, and anchovy. So, sa demersal fishes, kay grouper, snapper, snout, and rabbit fish. Then, kaning sa mga invertebrates, kay shrimp, squid, mud crab, mollusks, and other vegetables, bivalve. Sa aquaculture species, mostly kay sikat ay naman kanang common shrimp, bangos, tilapia, and seafood. So, unsa man ang ilang mga ipanggamit nga kanang unsa man nila ang mga fishing methods nga ipanggamit. So, we have here Calaga region na fishing method used kay hook and line, ring net, forcing, hand line, yellow nets, jigger for squid. Then sa aquaculture systems kay pans for multiple tilapia and shrimp, then seaweed farms and coastal waters. And kung saan ka ng economic importance and landing sites and fish ports sa Caragal ito. So naadli, ang mostly nga ka ng common wala nila dito kay kanina CP International Seaport and Surigao City Port of Surigao. Contribution to national security, ito lang contribution sa kanang national security. Caraga contributes significantly to the national fisheries production, especially for tuna and olives. So, ang kanyang mga local and export products nila. So, sa local, we have here the ramscad or galunggong, sardines, anchovies, small pelagics. Our main municipal catch is staple, sold fresh or dry in municipal markets. So, only ang ilahang mostly nga kanang ibaligya sa local and heavy contribution from municipal fisheries. Ganito sa kanilang mga demersal contributions, we have the groupers, loppers, kumpana, etc. Called by municipal and commercial fishers to disperse the market locally. Then, squid and other seafood codes. So, seasonal na siya, pero important, it is important for local demand and small processors. So, we also have here the crabs, shellfish, small crustaceans, sold locally or to their high-orphan centers. And also, ang mga freshwater aquaculture species like tilapia, bangos, mushrooms, local freshwater catfish represent pond production for local markets in Agusan areas of pond production. So sa Agusan nga kanang province nga dito ang mostly ang mga areas of pond and other aquaculture. So, kaning export, so kailangan pag sa-export ka ng murag mo, doon sila sa like, example sa other country, so change sila of the product. So, ang kaning seaweeds, or kapag pulse or yuma, is one of the region's most significant export commodities.